Oh yeah, this side. This side.
साथ में आते ना
पीछे पीछे.
She's telling me I have to come to Chandamarg anyhow.
Well, Sara is a very, very dear friend who has the best taste in her fashion sense, and there couldn't have been a better collaboration than my favorite Victoria's Secret and Sara. So I'm really, really happy to be here and really, really excited to be here. No, it definitely has to be their lingerie. Yeah? I mean, come on, what perfume and whatever. They have the best lingerie in the world, and they cannot, like, nobody can beat them because ever since we were little and we would travel, the first shop you had to go and shop in bulk was always Victoria's Secret. And now that it's in India and Bombay, we are really, really excited. Everything, absolutely everything. I don't know how to put this right, but the thing is that inner way is the most important when it comes to even Indian garments or any garments in that matter. And we don't think of it often, but when we are wearing a designer outfit and just one wrong innerwear or lingerie can spoil it all. So it's very, very important, and they have the best stuff. Yeah, so always pair it. Best and best goes well always. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Smile for the video. Thank you, Sarah, for having us.
Thank you.
Victoria's Secret.
Thank you for joining.
At Victoria's Secret.
It's a secret. Victoria's Secret. Not ours. Hey, 1 minute I'm coming. What higher than us? They fit you like a glove.
Yeah, isn't it? Every time. Every time I have
Yeah.
This is a video.
I feel good as well.
Stunning, yeah. Yeah, it's very pretty. This also shakes me. Yeah. Yes, hi.
Okay. आप ले लीजिए, बाइक लीजिए.
So ma'am, summer season is on or Victoria Secret is by the girls. So what do you say about that?
I'm very excited because it's one of my most favorite brands, and I think every girl's favorite brand. And I'm very excited because it's a new collection also being launched today. And I'm very happy to be here for Sarah and for Victoria's Secret. Yeah.
Oh my God, my secret is my beautiful daughters. Okay.
You're looking as lovely as always. You're here for an evening hosted at Victoria's Secret by Sarah. What would you like to say?
I'm just so fascinated, and I'm really blessed to have my lovely daughters, and that's the sign of my happiness. Yeah.
So what do you have to say about your secret, if any, at all?
My secret, the work that I do, I love what I do. So, yeah, that keeps me fit and more motivated because the work that I'm doing for 50 plus women. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can you just have a
Can you come this side, I'll just give you a kiss because this side I can't. Okay. The fact that it has got pockets.
Yeah, so I look at you or look at
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're here for Victoria's Secret evening hosted by Sarah. What do you have to say?
I'm excited to come to this gorgeous store. We seldom come out otherwise, and it's great to celebrate Victoria's Secret and the collection. It's amazing. Everything you look around, it looks stunning, and just you want to buy the whole shop. I remember the first time it came here to India, I was so excited, like every other girl who's excited. Yeah.
Cutest one ever. Yeah, it's always like one shot. Tell them to. Namira, if you're. I'll just tell you. Namira, Joe, I'll just tell
Done? Ready? Sanas, you're looking so gorgeous and summer is hot, just like you. And today you're here at Victoria's Secret where Sarah is hosting the show. So what do you want to say about that?
I just want to say that first of all, thank you. Flattery will get you everywhere. And today I'm here at the Palladium in Victoria's Secret. I think Victoria's Secret is not a secret. It completely gives every woman that oomph feeling from inside. And I think to have the perfect lingerie, to have the perfect fit is so very important. In fact, I'm just doing a web series on exactly this point. That the perfect fitting bra is not only necessarily aesthetically but also medically. Like when you're wearing the perfect bra, you can breathe easy, you can feel good, and you feel attractive from inside. And that's all that it's all about, right? Feeling is everything about inside, in here.
Also, you just said कि आपका web series आ रहा है. So what do you want to say about that?
My web series is coming out very soon. It's called Showstopper. I'm sure you all must have heard about it all over the media. And this is exactly what it's all about. It's about the perfect fitting bra. It's all about a bra fitter. What a completely forward subject, but with a very emotional story and a very deep touching story. And you'll love it.
And lastly, what do you want to say to Sarah, ma'am?
I want to say, Sarah, I love you. She's part of my inner circle. And anything and everything that she's going to work with, I'm going to be there to support her. And I think it's vice versa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
this side.
ठीक करना
ठीक निशा किधर है
come here
कब
that happened good for you
Wait. Thank you.
everything interesting what are you saying
No?
take the video
video yeah
whatever brings you it's working on you
Video sort of actors.
how are you
Hey, back now go for a quick bite or something down yeah
पूरा मोया.
क्या खरीदा तूने
अभी
Put on this side. This side. Put on this side.
just take it from my side yeah
खड़ा हो जाओ.
मत जाना
Look at you two. Excited.
ये ना बदलना पड़ता है.
We want this. Sorry. You can just take Sorry to photograph. Sorry. Everybody's taking my side.
Thank you.
I will go for this one. ml में भी कोई औकात नहीं।
So this is a video.
Repeat your year for Victoria's Secret evening hosted by Sarah. What do you have to say?
I think this is a place where every girl wants to be here. I think you get the best lingerie, the best perfumes. I like it more because of the beautiful bags and the pouches that you get. So, I mean, we're having a lot of fun because we see so much of good crowd, good faces, and there's a lot of fun and a lot of, frolic happening over here. So it's a pleasure to be here, and congratulations to Sarah for this beautiful event. Everybody's looking gorgeous and wonderful.
Hi, oh, it's so lovely. I love Victoria's Secret. Ever since I was a teenager, I think Victoria's Secret is one of those first places that my mom took me when I wanted to start getting into lingerie and just like dressing up in that manner with items that are comfortable. And it has a lot of memories from me. It's one of my favorite brands. Love it. And they have a great collection out right now.
Thank you very much. Well, I always buy Victoria's Secret products from last 15 years, and their perfume is to die for, and I've already picked up 2 perfumes from here, and I'm glad that Victoria's Secret is open in Bombay, and we don't have to travel all the way to abroad to buy Victoria's Secret. It's right at the doorstep, and I wish them all the best, and I think this brand will do very well. I think comfort is something very important, and obviously, it has to fit very well. In fact, I use a lot of Victoria's Secret's bras, which I put inside my gowns and inside the corset. I take the corset and do embroidery on that, embellishment on that. I think the cuts are very unique and it's very comfortable. Thank you.
Yeah.
First of all, very happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
The second thing is we are here at Victoria's Secret with Sarah Amin Khan. What do you want to say about that?
I just want to say I'm really happy that Victoria's Secret's come to India. I've been buying Victoria's Secrets, all over the world. I'm happy to see that they've gravitated to India along with other international luxury brands. It's important for people like me to be able to source luxury wear in India as an Indian, in Indian currency. It not only gives a good sense of competitiveness to Indian brands, but it also gives us more choice. I'm enjoying the space. I like the sense of comfort, the fragrance, just that sense of luxury that Victoria's Secret has.
So what comes to your mind when it comes to a bra?
A bra.
Yeah.
What comes to my mind when I think of a bra is, of course, comfort. Growing up, my mother always said that 2 things a woman must have the best of, and that is shoes and a bra. They have to be comfortable, they have to be smart, they have to be chic. And for me, it has to be beautiful. For me to have that sense of joie de, that sense of luxury, that sense of joie de vivre in your attire. So it's not only what you wear outside, but what you're wearing inside. And as a person who enjoys couture, I like to coordinate. So I like coordinated innerwear.
Thank you.
That's a little secret I shared with you. Yeah, we'll finish the visuals first.
So today you are here at Victoria's Secret. So what do you say about that?
It's one of my favorite shops. I entered and the first thing I'm doing is I'm again busy buying things. So yeah, I mean, not mine. A lot of people like it.
So when it comes to Secret, so what's your favorite?
Secret about? There is no secret in my life. I don't think there is any. So I'm like an open book. Everybody knows everything about me. So, yeah.
So when it comes to a craft, what comes to your mind?
When it comes to, I swear I would have said something right now, but I would rather no comment on that. Thank you.
It's a video. It's a video. Oh, thank you, Nana. Yeah, you're most welcome. This is India's is not. Or make
Thank you. I'm leaving. I have to say bye. I'm leaving. This is picture here. Now, this video.
Thank you so much.
We are here at Victoria's Secret with Sarah Khan. So what do you want to say about that?
You know, it's a nice event when you get to dress up and come out and hang out with your friends. And one of my best friends I brought with me because Nanny, come here, please. Because this is also a time we get to spend with our buddies. And bade events mein jate hain, you can't speak, you can't hear anybody, and there's so much noise. I love such events. I love going out for fashion events. जहाँ हमें, especially me, मुझे एक मौका मिल रहा है dress up होने के लिए जो मैं एक mom हूँ. I'm always in jeans and t-shirt all day long. मेरे बाल बंधे हुए हैं, and there's never any makeup. वो तो बहुत कम समय मिलता है makeup करने के लिए घर पे. But now we got to dress up. We got to come out, and I've always loved Victoria's Secret anyway. So मुझे आना था. And Sarah is one of my best friends. So of course उनकी इवेंट है तो मुझे आना ही पड़ा. और वैसे केवी की शूट है आज देहरादून गए. मेरे टिकट पे मैंने अपनी छोटी बेटी को भेज दिया बिकॉज मुझे ये इवेंट को मिस नहीं करना था.
Thank you.
वेलकम.
Sorry. So Nana, you're looking so pretty and so gorgeous. Thank you. And you are Victoria's Secret. So what do you want to say about that?
I always loved Victoria's Secret. It's been my favorite brand. There have been times that I've gone to actually Dubai, especially just to shop from Victoria's Secret, and it makes me so happy that it's in India now, in Mumbai, in my city, which I absolutely love, and it's just such a great brand now. It's inclusive. It's including women of all shapes and all body types, and I really, really love the brand. Makes a woman feel so confident, gorgeous, sexy, and I'm really happy that it's in India.
Also, this time Victoria's Secret is opened by Sarah Khan. So what do you want to say about that?
I'm very proud. Sarah's my sister, and I'm so excited that she gets to be doing the opening from Victoria's Secret. I think we would have single-handedly made the sales in Victoria's Secret for so many places that we've traveled to, and I'm just so happy that I don't think a better person could have been picked to open the event.
So Nana, what's your secret?
My secret, there are so many, but my secret is, I think, confidence. And it's not even that much of a secret because I think confidence is the key to anything in life. It's the key to success and happiness, and secrets you should keep to yourself.
Also, what comes to your mind when it comes to a bra?
When it comes to, support, sexiness, color, vibrancy, I think that's what it comes. Confidence as well.
So lastly, what do you want to say to your elder sister?
I just want to say that you rock. I absolutely love how you set up the event. You've brought one of my favorite brands to life in our city that we love so much. And I'm so proud of you, and I'm going to go shop now.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah.